Hello, I'm Veronica Drake, and today I wanted to talk about how the Air Force is transforming into the Future Total Force. I'll start by explaining what it is, when it was unveiled, then I'll touch on the 6 test cases that will implement Future Total Force. Last, I will close with how it will support our national strategy at home and abroad. Now, let's talk about what Future Total Force means and how it's going to shape the way the service trains, equips, and employs its active and reserve component members. The Future Total Force is how the Air Force is integrating with the National Guard and the Air Force Reserves. It was unveiled on December 2nd, 2004 to meet challenges. The goal of the Future Total Force is to increase capability of capitalizing on the strength of the active, the Guard, and the reserve components. Now let's highlight the test cases that the Air Force used to study the Future Total Force. The 6 test cases to introduce Future Total Force were Virginia Guard in the Langley Air Force Base. They partnered in the Raptor transformation. The 10 active duty station at Vermont and the Air National Guard. They partnered together to do the rebalance experience. The 419th Air Force Reserves and the 388th would perform the full spectrum of missions at Hill Air Force Base. And Texas and Arizona Guard will conduct the Predator missions to support the global reach. The Air Force Reserve and the Army Reserve will partner in Western New York to cover the intelligence side, and the Air Force Reserve will join in the War Airfare Center Predator missions at Nellis Air Force Base. The Air Force has taken steps to address several key aspects of the framework to guide the Air Force to the Future Total Force. These test cases will help as we continue supporting our national strategy. The national strategy is protecting our homeland as well as protecting abroad. Capabilities necessary to achieve this have changed through time, requiring the Air Force to transform. Today, I spoke about the Future Total Force. We also talked about when it was unveiled. Then, I touched on the 6 test cases that will implement the Future Total Force. Last, I close with how it will support our national strategy at home as well as abroad. Now, the Future Total Force is happening. It's happening right now. Are you ready?